In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off shift lock in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly manage shift lock in Heroes Battlegrounds. You will be able to enable or disable it accordingly. So all that you have to do if you are on PC is press shift. So as the name suggests, immediately upon pressing shift lock is going to be disabled. So all that you have to do is press shift on your keyboard and immediately you will be able to enable or disable shift lock. So shift lock changes the way that the game functions in relation to your mouse and keyboard. So right now with shift lock enabled, whenever I move my mouse, my camera is going to move in that direction and even my character will always look towards the little crosshair I have on the middle of your screen. So essentially, I'm always going to see the back of my character. If I disable shift lock, however, I'm free to move my mouse and my camera won't move unless I press either the right click down or I move it here. And then I can move my camera independently from my character and vice versa. So all that you have to do is press shift. If you are doing this process on mobile, you will have to find a specific button. Because you can't press shift because you are not using a keyboard, like I mentioned, you will have to find a specific button around the menu that allows you to enable or disable it accordingly. And immediately upon pressing that specific button, you will be able to get it disabled. Usually, experiences will have a little lock icon on one of the buttons that allows players to disable shift lock. So all that you have to do is press shift on your keyboard or find the specific shift lock button on mobile and you will be able to get it disabled. You will still be able to shift between them. So as you can see, even during an attack, I can press shift and it is going to change immediately. So sometimes you might want to enable it, while for others, you want to get it disabled so you can move your camera independently and still move your character. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off shift lock in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.